Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're talking about today is the Carson Stuff It Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Now, this is a nice little handy little thing. It's very small and you can fit it on your keychain if you choose to. And what it is a little pouch that you see right here. It says Carson on it, but on the inside is this fabric that you can use to clean all of your lenses that you have, mainly for glasses. I use it for my glasses. I use it for any kind of glasses, your reading glasses, your prescription glasses, your sunglasses. You can use it for goggles. You can use it for face shields. You can use it for anything, any kind of lenses, but you can also use it for your LCD screens, your smartphones. I use this on my smartphone all the time. I mean, probably more than my glasses, and I also use it for binoculars. You can use it for your cameras, anything with any kind of optics on it, microscopes, anything like that. It cleans very well. Now, the cloth is on the inside here. It's stuffed inside very nicely. And it just comes out. You just pull it out like this. And the cloth is a nice size. Yeah, see? It's about this big. And it's really extremely soft to the touch. I mean, it feels really nice to the touch. It really does. I mean, it feels like it's like some kind of a silk or something, but it's softer than silk. It's really nice. And you use it to clean the lenses with. And you can wash this no problem. And it retracts right back into this little pouch here you just pull this string like that. It goes about that far by itself with the string. And I thought it would be cool if this string would pull the entire thing in. That would be been awesome, but it doesn't. It only pulls it in about that far. And either you can keep it out like this, but I don't, because I like to keep this kind of nice and clean, I guess. And if it hangs out like that, there's a chance that it could get dirty, so I like to stuff it in like that, all the way in. Keep it nice and safe in there like that. And then have this either hanging somewhere on by your desk, or you can, like I said, put this on your keychain just in case you may need it. I don't carry it around with me on my keychain. I just keep it on my desk at work, and I have one here at home. And yeah, but you can. It kind of looks like a little bell or something, and it makes for a really kind of interesting conversation piece, don't you think? I mean, it does. I mean, I don't know how many times I've had this on my desk, just sitting there like that, and people ask me, "What is that? What are you doing with that? What is that for?" And voila, I have to show them. It's really good, and it cleans your glasses very well. When you have, especially a very expensive pair of glasses, a lot of times a little cloth will come with them when you buy them, because they know you have to keep them clean and keep them nice. And this is probably the same type of fabric that they give you. This is very economical. It doesn't cost much at all. And that's great because it lasts very long also. And it washes very easy too. So I've had this probably a good maybe 9 months now. And before, I was just using a fabric that my glasses came with, and I was just using it for everything. But this one, I started using this one, and I like it a lot. It works very well. And yeah, how I learned about it was I saw someone actually using this on television. I think it might have been a commercial, I'm not sure. But I noticed it and I searched it out and found it online and I purchased it. Very happy with it. Works very well. Yeah, it's good. Good little way to clean your glasses. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Carson Stuff It Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.